Hey Sprinkles, it's me, your cupcake girl. So for today's video, this is part 2 of Alice's and Ashley's sleepover. And don't worry, in part 3, it's gonna be the actual sleepover. In part 2, which is now, they're gonna be going to school. Yes, school. So let's start. I kinda miss mom, but I'm a big girl. I'm just gonna unpack my basket. Go. Put this here and this here and this here. Go. Come on, let's go. Wait, I have to get my notepad and my pencil. Right, I forgot about that. I'm gonna get my dog pop pencil. Let's go. Hey, wait up. Gosh, I hope we're not late. Come on, let's go. Got to sit there. Okay, everybody. Let me check attendance. Addie, here. Okay, Maya, here. Sam, here. Brittany, here. Ashley, here. And Alice, here. Okay, good thing that everyone's here. So let's start. Everybody write this in their notebook. Struggling. Okay, let me check. Wow, good job. Good job, Ashley. Thank you. Okay. Oh, sorry about that. Oh, good. Good. Good, good, good. Okay, so I'm just gonna erase this now. Okay, class is dismissed. You may go now. Yes! Put this up there. Put this down here. And also, I'm gonna get Addie. And where's Addie's locker? Pretty sure Addie's locker is this here. Oh, finally. And then his locker is obviously the pirate one. Okay, and this is Maya, I think. I forgot what her name is. Okay, there you go. And now I'm just gonna get my character. Yes, finally. Come on, Alice. Coming. Are you excited? Why? Cause when we get home, we get to play with, with Cookie. Cookies? Those are for eating. No, our cat Cookie. Oh, about that. uh, gonna pack everything in here. There you go. And there you go. Oh, I have to carry this. Come Come on, Alice. Wait. Okay, let's wait for Mom. Mm-hmm. 3 minutes later. Girls. Mommy! Mommy! So, how was your school? Great! Awesome! Okay, let's go home. Okay, Sprinkles, that's it for part 2. Sorry that it was a little short, but that's all I could do. So, bye, Sprinkles. I'll see you again in part 3. Bye!